Van Ropairí na Madáin star amach cúpla seachtaina hin ar a bhór a Craobh ard bhacad an chéadúir, an aireolta chuirlan a rúthar Craobh Uladh. Ina goin bhí cumlú le scoil cheannaí líre droichead nua ó chuire, fearna bhí reis sa Craobh chuigad an tarna bliana sa chéile, an raibh taithí na bliana catach an tarifa dómh. Bhí Gary McDonagha agus Charlie Vernon in ard bhacad an bhauta ceithre cena seo a Gréibh Club AIB Uladh.
Grimley. Conor Grimley. Ríist an neidir seileadh acu. And my turret as a gear le Donald Rafferty thirds we score Ilan Fear well because it Idach on score fights a gear in our fad Donald Rafferty.
Yeah, two seen taco Madden and Shin we should bra fight Jack able to and score a Craobh. Shin kick into my
Scoring shot Hogan Deshta Droichead no dul numiocht agus an Dí Halwood Zinta Agab in Charlotte Conor McGrogan Gazi Conor McGrogan Coimers Gamawaho, Conor McGrogan at East, Tucky Susa game in Young, agus Lenny Hito game in Young, Kianshin Sholta Gahana and Das, a game in Young, Haran Trasnan, Imrorma. Saibra Egg, the Madan McMullen at East, also Horvey Mark Doherty, and a Sheáin fair, and a Shansa Kieran Rafferty. Machadish v Brew and shot, Conor Grimley le Cluiche the Brogue. Agus tan Kianshin pulsing a Holland Haran Trasnan the Ropairí fought Conor Grimley and score is fair on the cliff.
Yeah, Shin Wadney's far and Madden and Shin agus Shindy in an splank bug a cur strategy and Cluiche shot.
And the Glúiseacht, come on. Conor McAteer and Ashkady, Conor Doherty. Many sorry na custom to Ropairí in the Madáin. They Laoghaire. There are Gaila Orlach, agus Brew a chud. An Droichead nua shot McGrogan, Pádraig. Chushiach Gamawa Pádraig McGrogan, Eric Gittog and Kianshin Bultig a Harding Pádraig McGrogan, agus Tasha Shin Glotse. Shin score all in her fad. Oh Pádraig McGrogan. And she the smuine ver iarach der Ropairí Imrori an Chongrach da chéile. Le Mullen, chuds Cushiach the chuds Lewis a tastal and Ashinish Gazi. Grimley, le Cluiche the Brogue and Kianshin go Holland. Shin score all in Conor Grimley. These had could be the via Agna Aku. Gura Ropairí tastal agus for Conor Grimley. Ropairí Ella.
Shin kicked off Craobh and Shin O'Connor agus and Darach John sa Liashaw.
Agus tá Lero Dinish Grúta Arash. Conor McAteer Urawan Ella agus Tasha. Tina Gohinta, Conor McAteer, Agera, and trio score, Amshus the Gliffa. Well, two stuck Kinetia, Conor McAteer, agus and Droichead nua leis Darila. Niall Grimley. And Ashkady, Joe Sheridan. Osega. Shviyera. Bulsa Gahana Nordo, Guska Crean and Shin, Paddy Comiskey on score, none of the Wadney Sar. Foseg McAteer, agus Nish on Lewis shot, Conor McAteer, Ilan Croia Egadohain, Galure Iyer de Leshin Gikshin, Conor McAteer, agus Shin on Craobh Conor McAteer Sigliffe. Dra Faidach and Shaw Gera Desh score alla Ibru. Dófein, Mas Féitelo, Cumann na Mahasa Oru, Cheathrú chum tosa fi Laoghaire Seán Young a mun Sheleve, and Chushiach Gamawa, Seán Young, it's round the spricke, Tasha Shin go hall in our fad, Seán Young, and Darna score ege, Intach.
Agus na trénalí atá janta acu agus tá chuds war over janta hig drochad nua faoi ishe harna blianta agus Seán Torhu.
Agus Fiona ur Chalin sheet and Lero the doubleto Ruchdal Ash. Agus Inish and Kianshin Bulsiga hard Agus Canala Bulsiga Crean Shin and score Fata Egg and Droichead nua Gushin Doherty Buaicphointí Egg Hain Sigliffe Agus and Kianshin and Squeelsa and Tanedog Shetty Egg and Raitor Sean Herson Agus Egg Yere Bu Comfortach Gama Egg and Droichead nua.
It was just the main target, you know, to go one further than last year, and credit to Madden, we knew we were under no illusion the task here today. They've had a great year, and we knew they were going to put it up to us right to the final whistle there, so we're just happy to get over the line.
Yeah, over the moon. We're just for Newbridge to get to the semi-final is a massive achievement. So for this team, it's excellent, and look forward to 2 weeks' time now.